Hi, I'm Jon Urquhart from PVA with today's Pro Tip. Safe handling of large, heavy substrates between production cells is a key consideration when planning automation. Automotive battery packs, wireless network servers, switching stations, and aerospace modules are prime examples of large-scale products that still require conformal coating, potting, gasketing, and thermal interface materials applied. Conventional handling methods, such as manually loading fixtures or transporting on a conveyor, can be challenging for products of this size. PVA's flexible and ergonomic pass-through option allows a mobile cart, or trolley, to be loaded directly into the robot's work area and locked into place. The trolley acts as the workpiece fixture and prevents the operator from handling oversized substrates. You can also fully automate your part handling by integrating an automated guided vehicle for a completely hands-off process. For more information about PVA's custom manufacturing solutions, contact PVA today and let us help make you a pro.